Want to keep Photoshop running smoothly and avoid those pesky slowdowns or glitches? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and safely clear your Photoshop cache. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to free up memory, boost performance, and get back to creating your best work without unnecessary headaches. Let's dive straight in. First things first, make sure Photoshop is open on your computer. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and start it up now. The cache is a bit like the recycling bin of Photoshop. It stores leftover data from your projects, helping the program load things faster. But over time, this can pile up and make everything slower. So, having Photoshop open is the first step before we start clearing things out. Now, once you're in Photoshop, take a look at the top menu bar of the program. You'll notice a range of options up there, but for today, we're heading straight to Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. This menu is essentially your control room. It contains all kinds of settings and tweaks for your workflow. If you don't see Edit right away, double-check that you're not in an unusual workspace or that you're actually inside the Photoshop window. Sometimes, working on another file or having a dialog box open can hide the menu. So a quick click back into your project will bring it up. With the Edit menu open, you'll see a long list of options. What you're looking for now is Purge. Purge is Photoshop's built-in tool to clear out different types of temporary files and cached data. Imagine it like opening the windows and letting some fresh air in for your computer's memory. Hover over Purge, and you'll see a submenu appear. This gives you choices for which specific caches you want to clear. One option is Video Cache. If you're someone who works with video timelines or uses video layers in Photoshop, this cache can build up very quickly and start hogging your resources. So go ahead and click on Video Cache. Don't worry if you haven't used video features. If you have, you'll notice a difference once you clear it out. Photoshop might take a few moments to process this. Sometimes it looks like nothing's happening, but let it finish. You might see your workspace flicker or a small confirmation message pop up. That's Photoshop doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes, making sure that those old preview files and temporary video data are safely removed. By purging the video cache, you're basically telling Photoshop, let's get rid of what we don't need. This can open up memory on your computer, prevent errors, and speed up your workflow. If you notice that your video editing in Photoshop was dragging or files were taking too long to load, you'll likely see a difference after this step. Remember, you can use the Purge menu to clear other caches as well, like history or clipboard if your project is especially sluggish. But always save your work before purging, just in case. Sometimes, clearing certain caches will wipe out undo states. Alright, that's all it takes to clear your Photoshop cache. It's a simple process, but it can make a world of difference for your editing speed and project stability. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more pro Photoshop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.